Hold on, don't make that sound, mother. Must you be dramatic like mom?
This is sick.
What's it called?
Oh.
It's a sick.
What's it called?
TwoGuysOneHorse.com.
What is it called, Brandy? Brandy, what's it called?
Don't be sick over my computer. Oh, you're a sick motherfucker.
She's pretending to throw up.
Oh,
Brandy, that's not even a real reaction.
fuck, man. You're enjoying it, aren't you? You're watching. You're watching.
So, Phil, what are we watching on this?
a horse fucking a guy. And a guy, two guys,
One horse, one guy's filming.
and one guy has his hand on a horse's cock, guiding it into the other guy's butthole.
Save the computer. You're not sick.
That video just made me sick.
Did the guy in the video...
I got a rope.
Did he die? Did the guy die?
Instantly.
And nearly wrecked him.
He died instantly.
What was it called? You still haven't said what it was called.
2 men, 1 horse.
Would you watch it again?
No.